Welcome to Vision Academy. In today's world, artificial intelligence is everywhere. It's creating art, writing code, diagnosing diseases, even preparing your coffee order before you say a word. But here's the good news. There are still many careers that AI simply can't replace. In this video, we'll explore 40 jobs AI can't touch, and why human skills, creativity, and emotional intelligence will always keep these roles alive. Stick around until the end, because job number 38 might just surprise you. Section 1. Human Connection Jobs. Number 1. Psychologists and therapists. AI can process information, but it can't truly understand the human mind or the emotions behind a story. Therapists build trust, offer empathy, and connect deeply. That is something no algorithm could replicate. Number 2. Social workers. Working with vulnerable individuals requires compassion, adaptability, and a deep understanding of human struggles. AI just doesn't have a heart. Number 3. Teachers and educators. AI can deliver facts, but inspiring a classroom, adapting to different moods, and sparking curiosity, that's pure human magic. Number 4. Nurses. It's not only about medicine, it's about comfort. It's about holding someone's hand when they need it most. Number 5. Counselors. From career guidance to helping someone through a crisis, counselors rely on empathy and cultural understanding that no AI can match. Section 2. Creative and artistic roles. Number 6. Authors of original fiction. AI can imitate styles, but it doesn't live, laugh, or cry. True storytelling comes from life itself. Number 7. Stand-up comedians. Comedy is timing, audience reaction, and reading the room. It's knowing the vibe. Number 8. Musicians and live performers. Music is not just notes. It's energy, emotion, and connection. Number 9. Filmmakers. Directing humans, telling layered stories, bringing out raw emotion. That's an art form no AI can own. Number 10. Fine artists. AI can generate images, but the touch of a brush, the feel of clay, that's human authenticity. Section 3. Skilled trades and hands-on jobs. Number 11. Electricians. Every building is different. Fixing wiring, diagnosing strange problems, requires adaptability. Number 12. Plumbers. A leaking pipe in an old home? No AI is crawling under a sink and thinking on the spot. Number 13. Carpenters. Custom woodwork, restoration, artistry in every cut. Number 14. Chefs in fine dining. Cooking is tasting, adjusting, and creating a personal connection through food. Number 15. Hairstylists and barbers. It's not just about hair. It's conversation, confidence, and personality. Section 4. Leadership and strategic thinkers. Number 16. CEOs and entrepreneurs. Leadership is vision, risk, and inspiring a team. Number 17. Politicians and diplomats. AI can suggest policies, but shaking hands, reading the room, that's human. Number 18. Managers and team leaders. People follow people, not programs. Number 19. Religious leaders. Faith, guidance, and spiritual care are deeply human experiences. Number 20. Coaches and mentors. From sports to life, motivating others comes from the heart. Section 5. Health and emergency services. Number 21. Surgeons. In the operating room, things can change in seconds. Humans make the calls. Number 22, paramedics. Chaos, quick thinking, comforting people in their worst moments. Number 23, firefighters. Facing danger, making split-second moral choices. That's not a job for code. Number 24, veterinarians. Animals don't speak in data. They speak in trust. Number 25, midwives. Childbirth is both science and pure emotion. Section 6, specialized craft and culture. Number 26, archaeologists. Digging into history is part skill, part instinct. Number 27, museum curators. Selecting and arranging exhibits is storytelling with objects. Number 28, fashion designers. Trends are human, driven by emotion and risk. Number 29, jewelers. Crafting unique pieces is personal and precise. Number 30, tattoo artists. A tattoo is both art and a moment of trust. Section 7, community and experience jobs. Number 31, tour guides. History mixed with humor, energy, and personality. Number 32, event planners. Every event is unique. Every client is different. Number 33, personal trainers. Motivation, encouragement, real-time adaptation. Number 34, customer service in luxury markets. High-value clients expect real connection. Number 35, hospitality staff in fine hotels. The magic is in the personal touch. Section 8, unique and human-only roles. Number 36, parents. Raising children is love, patience, and life lessons. Number 37, judges. Applying the law with fairness requires wisdom and context. Number 38, detectives. Instincts, gut feelings, and human reading of suspects. Number 39, wildlife conservationists. Passion, advocacy, and hands-on protection of our planet. Number 40, philosophers. Exploring life's meaning is a journey only humans can take. And there you have it, 40 jobs AI can't touch. Technology will keep evolving, but our creativity, compassion, and human connection will always matter. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, subscribe to Vision Academy, and share this video with someone who needs hope in the age of AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.